Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a closing document checklist with Redfin, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a closing document checklist with Redfin, start by logging into your Redfin account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your listings. Select the property for which you need to create the checklist. On the property detail page, locate the Documents tab. Click on the Documents tab to view the available document options. Here, you will find a list of documents typically required for closing. Begin by selecting the appropriate closing documents for your transaction. You can choose to filter documents by category for better organization. Once you have identified the necessary documents, click on each one to download or view. Make note of any specific requirements for your state or local area that may be relevant. Open a word processing application to create your checklist. Start by naming your document Closing Document Checklist. List each required document, ensuring clear and concise descriptions. Include any specific notes, such as deadlines or responsible parties for each document. Once your checklist is complete, review it for accuracy. Make sure all the documents listed are relevant to your transaction. Save the checklist in a secure location for easy access. If you are working with a team, consider sharing the checklist for collaborative input. As you obtain each document, mark it off your list. Regularly update the checklist as necessary throughout the closing process. Finally, print or share the checklist as needed with involved parties. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.